Hi all, I'm Mousami Nilakhe, a life coach, soft skills and life skills trainer. Today I'm going to talk about 3 mistakes people do while doing handshake. Handshake is done to show respect, equality and trust. You might be surprised that many people don't know how to make a right handshake. So let's talk about 3 mistakes that you should avoid while doing handshake. First mistake that people do is they give dead fish handshake. Dead fish handshake is the handshake where you give the hand but there is no grip. So the other person only holds your hand and he or she only shakes it. What does a dead fish handshake tells about you? It tells the other person that either you are not interested in meeting them, or you are not confident, or simply you don't know how to make a proper handshake. So when you give handshake to people, always make sure that there is a proper grip. Not too tight, not too loose. Next wrong type of handshake is pumper handshake. In this type of handshake, you give a firm grip, but you shake the hand more than 3 to 4 times. So you keep on shaking the hands and keep on talking like this. So ideal handshake is just 3 to 4 shakes. Before we go to the third type of mistake, please subscribe to my channel if you are liking these tips and hit the bell icon. This will motivate me to do more and more such interesting videos. The third wrong type of handshake is knuckle grinder. These are knuckles. So in this type of handshake, you give a very tight grip. So it actually crushes the knuckles of the person and it hurts. When you give knuckle grinder, people feel that you are trying to threaten them or dominate them, or they may feel nervous. So a good handshake is firm grip handshake with 3 to 4 shakes accompanied by smile and eye contact. If you have liked the video, please share it ahead to help people improve their skills. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, please type it in the comment box. Also type it in the comment box what mistake you are making while doing a handshake. Bye for now.